What you doing? Alright, good morning guys. It's Friday, which means it's time to go grocery shopping today. We are going to Aldi this morning, so yeah, there will be an Aldi haul probably in this vlog. You want some drumsticks? Okay, Grumpy. So anyway, yeah, that's the only thing that I know that we have to do today is go to Aldi. I do need to go to Target for a couple of grocery items, but I'm not going to do that until either this weekend or Monday. So that'll have to wait until then. Alright guys, so we just got home from Aldi and I spent about $57 I believe. So I'm starving to death. I'm so hungry. So I'm just gonna go really quickly through what I got and then I'm gonna go eat something before I pass out. Alright, so first off I got 2 bags of the apple straws because they were really good. I also got 2 bags of the cheese puffs. I had a third and I have no idea where it went, so yeah. 2 things of their veggie straws, 2 things of goldfish, 2 things of macaroni and cheese. I got some asparagus, a bag of spinach, paper towels, a bag of apples, some frozen peas, baggies, because I want to try and like portion out snacks for me. I got corn on the cob because Phoenix has been really loving it. I got fajita mix instead of taco seasoning, so we're going to try that out. Let's see, we got some pink Himalayan salt, 2 different kinds of diced tomatoes with chilies, 2 cans of garbanzo beans, a can of pinto beans, 2 cans of corn. I got whipped cream cheese. I had cream cheese the other day and now I can't stop craving it. I got another thing of Greek yogurt and then another thing of Cool Whip just in case. Orange juice for Evie's birthday party on Sunday. I also got 3 cartons of eggs, a thing of ground turkey, and then I got this thing of chicken thighs. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but it was super duper cheap. And so I have to figure out something to do with that. But figured it would be a good change of pace. So this is everything that I got, and again, it was about $57. Good morning everybody. So it is Saturday and today we are having a family day. We're not doing what we had planned on doing. We were going to go to Volcano Bay today, but it's just too stressful right now to try and do that. So we're gonna try and go another weekend this month. But I think we're gonna do McKee today because it's like $1 admission day and McKee is really expensive to go to on a normal basis. So I think we're gonna try and go today and take advantage of that. So we'll see. I do have to go to Target and I want to, they have that like car seat recycle program going on and I want to do that with our infant car seat. So hopefully we'll get to do that today.
Alright, folks, it falls. Uh-oh. Maybe we should buy him a new one.
To do what with?
This?
everybody. It is Sunday morning. It is officially my first Sunday not having to go to work. Today, we are up bright and early. It is like just before 8 o'clock right now. We are driving. I just picked up a whole stash of donuts. And I also, yes, good morning, baby. I also got the biggest coffee of my life. Like this is so good. Oh my gosh. So good. Anyway, we are on our way to go pick up Jenny, and we're gonna go to the park and we're gonna set up for Evie's birthday party. So I'm excited. Hopefully this one will run himself silly so that he will take a very good nap this afternoon. Phoenix.
Hi.
Hey. Come here, honey. We bring the birthday to her.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Evie. Happy birthday to you. Black candle. You just grab whatever you want. Donut, the sprinkle.
I'll tell you when to stop. Stop. Wait, but I need to stop.
Look at that hair. So we are home from the park. I don't think I vlogged that much. I'll have to like see how much I actually vlogged at the park. It was so hot, but he had a really good time. He came home and he fell asleep in the car on the way home. Then he took a like 2-hour nap. He's had his lunch and now we are finally getting a bath in because he was the dirtiest baby I've ever seen in my life. He had dirt and sand everywhere. So we're getting a bath now. He's having a lot of fun and I think that's probably like the end of this vlog because I don't see us doing anything else the rest of the day. I'm so tired. The sun just like took all of the life out of me. So I'm just kind of over today and I want to go to bed. I tried to nap with him but I just couldn't fall asleep. I don't know what it was. I just couldn't sleep. So I'm still super tired and that's just where we're at. Hey Peggy, what you doing? What you doing? Oh, now we're eating soapy water. Lovely. Cute.